Hi friends, in this video we are going to see an audio extractor which is absolutely free, that is developed based on FFmpeg. It is an open source software that is used to process multimedia files. I have created a simple user interface to extract audio from video using FFmpeg. Download audio extractor from the link given in the description. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Unzip the downloaded zip file. Open the audio extractor folder. Click on audioextractor.exe. So select the input video where the audio need to be extracted. So we have two options. Either the audio will be stored in MP3 or in WAV format. So I'm selecting MP3. Click extract audio. So the conversion is happening. So once the conversion is done, you can see the audio in the same folder. What's next? Yes, it's free video converter. Wait for my next update. Thank you.